Struggling with garment technology Viva? Top Viva questions you must prepare before exams and interviews. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Selina Nasrin and today I am going to share some of the most important fashion and garment technology Viva questions with clear and easy answers. This will help students, job seekers and anyone preparing for interviews in the garment industry. So let's begin with the first question. Explain the role and importance of a pattern maker in the garment industry. A pattern maker is a skilled person who creates the template or shape of each garment part based on the designer's sketch or measurement chart. Their main duty is to make accurate patterns that ensure proper fit, shape and size before bulk production. They use CAD software like Apparel, Lectra or manual tools such as rulers, curves and pattern paper. A pattern is very important because it acts as the blueprint of a garment, ensuring correct cutting, perfect fitting and production consistency. Pattern makers also perform grading, which means increasing or decreasing the size of a pattern to make garments in various sizes such as S, M, L, XL. Second question. Explain the role and importance of a marker maker in the garment industry. A marker maker is responsible for preparing the layout of all garment pattern pieces on the fabric width before cutting. Their main goal is to use fabric efficiently and reduce wastage. They carefully arrange each pattern piece on the marker according to grain line, fabric type and size ratio to ensure accuracy. Marker makers can work manually on paper or by using CAD software such as Apparel marker making, Optitex or Lectra. A good marker helps achieve maximum fabric utilization, accurate cutting and lower production cost, which is essential for garment manufacturing. That's all for today's Viva practice. I will be back with more important garment technology questions and answers. Keep practicing, stay confident and all the best for your exams and interviews.